I'm Todd Weyandt of Applied Software and host of the award-winning Bridging the Gap podcast, and excited to be at Cleveland Electric today here in Atlanta, Georgia, and we're going to take a tour of their fab shop. They're doing a total overhaul of their whole facility here, so we're going to get a before, and then we'll come back afterwards too to see the final product. Let's go in. Andy, thanks so much for taking the time to chat with us today. I'd love to hear a little bit more about your background, and then we'll tour the shop.
I've been in the electrical field for 40 years. I started working here at Cleveland 24 years ago. They tasked me with, hey, we got to get the fab shop growing. And it's to the point now where I'm moving over here full time.
What was kind of the genesis of wanting to totally revamp this space?
This building has been here for a long time, and Cleveland has used it for a long time, and with that, it's become everybody's storage area. So we have a steady, large workforce, people in here continually making all these products that the guys can easily install in the field. And with y'all's help, we're going to reorganize the whole thing and get everything more efficient. Over the years, construction has not really improved in the field. But once we pull that out and put it in a manufacturing atmosphere, now we can improve the flow and become a lot more efficient.
Prefab is the ultimate goal. It's something that I've been striving for years at this company to push that initiative. I see prefab as something that is taking unknowns from the field and putting it into a known environment.
What do you see as kind of the biggest benefits that are happening from here that translate to the job site?
We kind of get the problems out of the way, like panels come in wrong, transformers come in wrong. We catch that on this end. So there's one step. Next thing, they don't have to have as many people on the job that are skilled. They can just install, and we put the skilled people in here and we can QC it, and it's just faster. You know, the customers are demanding it, the owners, everybody sees the advantage of doing this. It's a lot safer. It's getting that safety, getting those people off those jobs. Really, that's the most unsafe and unproductive place that we work.
Right, sure.
I mean, 100%. There's no way to deny that. Main focus here is to try to get the manpower off the job. Let's try to build as much as we can in a manufactured facility.
And what we saw as an industry is that we've got to be able to do more with less. And so how can we do that? And that's really maximizing that shop, maximizing those people, and maximizing that square footage. And so what we can do now with 65, 70 guys that we have working over there, I think we're going to be able to do some similar volume with less people.
So what is this place going to look like in a couple months as you guys are revamping everything?
So in a couple months, it's going to be huge. We're putting all new lighting up. The floors are going to be striped to where you know where stuff goes and the forklifts run. Everything's going to have a place, a purpose, and a reason for being there.
Yeah. What are you most excited about in the new revamp?
The most exciting thing for me is it's going to look better in here. I'm going to be proud to bring people in here.
Well, and one of the big hurdles that you guys are adding, kind of a complicating factor, is that you guys are still trying to be productive while you're also totally redoing everything in this space.
When you move to the prefab shop, you have a known quantity now. You're removing some of the variables from the project. You're saying, hey, when I build this, it's always this. It's always this cost, it's always this. And the more things that you can move to the fab shop, more things that you can make that known quantity, the sharper you can make your pencil when you're going after work, and more profitable you can make your company.
So one of the things we're going to redesign is the labeling area. You just cannot believe how many labels that we do. We make brass tags. Anything you want, we can make tag-wise. We even letter our own trucks now. So all of our trucks are lettered by us.
Yeah.
We just do it ourselves.
Any other kind of fun hidden surprises of benefits?
Our welding department is probably larger than what an electrical prefab shop might have. We weld some pretty insane things. We made all this in-house, all this steel. that we put together for these skids. So instead of us having to farm it out, we just do it internal, and it makes a big difference. We can pre-build this while they're still pouring concrete and things.
Right. Yeah.
So that's the advantage to doing this.
Really helps with those schedules on the
Schedule. It really helps the schedule. And that's where the general contractors start getting excited, right?
Yeah.
Can you reduce the schedule?
Right. It's good to get the GC excited.
Right, that's what they get excited about.
Yeah.
So as Steve is designing this for us, he's trying to make this just as efficient as he possibly can with the limited space we gave him.
Right. It is what it is, right?
You can see how this really needs revamping.
You get to kind of start with a blank slate.
That's right. That's exactly right. It'll be really cool when we get done, right?
Yeah, I'm excited to see it all totally revamped and
Me too.
shiny.
That's right.
That'll be great.
At the first of next year, I want y'all to come back. Okay, we'll say February 1st. You come back February 1st. Let's walk through this thing and see how big a difference we made.
Yeah, let's do it. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too.
Stay tuned to see the results from Cleveland's renovation with Evolve MEP's help this spring. Go to ASTI.com/constructingthegap to sign up for all the latest updates.